Hey guys, welcome back to Planmas Day 13. Today is actually the 12th, but I am going to film a day in the life of my planning system, or of my planners. I haven't really worked out the title, but it's around 11 a.m. right now, and I did forget that I was filming this video today, and I did touch my planner one time, and that was this morning at drop off. So maybe I will film that tomorrow morning in the car, just to kind of show you guys like what I do. But I pretty much just sit down and run through what I did the night before. So it's a little weird. I feel like I should have started this video last night. I did have time in my planner last night as well. I like to plan for the next day, tomorrow. So tonight I will sit down with my planner and plan out for Wednesday, and then in the morning I will go over that and drop off lines. So yeah, I did do that. So last night I planned for today. This morning I kind of ran through, checked off the things, wrote in some new things, but I guess we should probably talk about the biggest thing that probably looks different to you guys. I did switch out of my personal wide black Mo term. I did return it as well. I don't know, I loved the planner, don't get me wrong, it's just I missed this one, and I know myself and I wouldn't use the black one. So I did come back to this. I do still have plans to buy a personal wide in either forest or khaki once they restock those on AliExpress in the veg tan line, but for now I'm at home in here. I did have to take out my 2024 section, like all the monthlies, but I did leave in the holidays and this little perpetual calendar so that I can add in anything if I need to while on the go. So that works for now. But let's open up to the week. I just got done eating brunch with my youngest. She doesn't have school today, and I wanted to update my plans for the day and kind of begin this video. I am also about to film Planmas for today, so Tuesday. I haven't done that yet either. So we went to Kohl's and Walmart. This is I added a little, I'm trying like a new key for over here because it just got really complicated really quickly. Tuesday, I did AM skincare. I can kind of check off Wednesday's Planmas because I'm filming that now. And then, yeah, I have more to do there. So this is going really well. I think I talked about me wanting to try this layout out. I got the idea from Mama of More Plans, who got the idea from someone else that I do not know their name. But I really like this. I can already tell, like, because typically if I would have all of this, yeah, it might be here, but I would not have all this space for Wednesday. So I really, really like this setup here. Let's see here. I needed to rewash the girls' clothes and put like Oxy Boost on them. I don't know what happened, but there were blue spots all over their clothes. Monay had her bath. She had an accident last night. I don't know when I'm gonna get to the laundry, honestly. Her bedding is almost done, and then I need to put the rewash clothes in the dryer and throw the delicate clothes in, and then tonight I need to wash coats. Christmas projects tonight. I need to file a shipping claim, and then I'm gonna film after this. But yeah, I think that's all I needed to check in on. Yeah, like I said, I just wanted to open this video. I do want to say that the lighting is probably going to be really wonky in this video because I do use natural lighting and I don't know how good like my house lighting is. So I will try my best to have good lighting throughout this video, but it's going to be, yeah, a little wonky. But okay, so we're done with that planner, but I do want to jump in here really quick. I want to update my memory spread later tonight, but something happened this morning at drop-off, and I want to notate it before I forget. So we do need to kind of memory plan for yesterday, but today at drop-off, the sweetest thing happened. It's actually, they have the same teacher do outside duties in the morning, and she's always so sweet ever since the start of the school year. But today she stopped me and said how kind and caring and just how well behaved Mariyea is, and I don't know, it just made my mommy heart happy. It made me feel so good to know that that's her reputation around the school. You know, she just got awarded her school's star award, so she's doing so well, guys, and yeah, I'm proud of her. So I want to put that down. That was this morning. Also, the rest of this week, we're on like a different schedule because Michael has to go in an hour early for mandatory overtime. So maybe I should like mark that in here. Or you know what? I should probably mark that in my planner. That's more of like planning things. But yeah, let me just write this in really quick. Okay, I just put today at drop-off, the teacher stops me to mention and rave about how well behaved and polite Mariyea is. So that's just something I want to notate there. And because I just remembered that little overtime that Michael's doing, I need to hop back in my rings. So like I said, we'll go back in there later tonight to update for yesterday, but let's go in here. Kind of want it at the beginning. Let's see. I think I'll just write Michael and then put his time, because he typically goes in at 7, so now it's 6 to 3:30. And I'm going to put OT. And then I'll just write that the rest of the week. And then I am going to highlight this just so my eye kind of jumps to it. And there, so that is all I need to update right now. I will see you guys again when I jump back in here. Okay guys, so it is now currently 2 p.m. I have to go to pick up, I gotta go pick up my daughter, but I'm about to leave the house, so I need to update this before I leave. It's been a day already. I did end up filming for Planmas. It's gonna get up late tonight. I filed the claim, and I did fold and put away the laundry. I'm going to have to move that around before I leave as well. So yeah, I just needed to check in, and let's go get my daughter from school. Okay, we're in the car at pickup, and I don't know how you guys do this, the whole car planning thing, but I need to add a few things. So let me open up to today. Oh my goodness, this is a mess. Okay. I need to we need to go to Target. I'm already messing up. This is supposed to be an arrow. Oh well, so we need to go to Target for OxyClean and Crazy Socks for Mariyea's Spirit Week. And then I need to go to Walmart again. I literally went to both Walmarts in my area. Also, if you hear snoring, Milani is in the back seat, knocked out. She always falls asleep at this time. But I need, what are those called? Mailers. Because I just made another sale on Mercari, so another thing I need to do tonight is the Mercari package. And then tomorrow, as if there's already not enough on here, I need to, I think it's going to be through USPS, so, I guess I should probably figure that out before I put that down. I think it is. Let me check. Okay, it is through USPS, so yeah, there's not much else gonna fit on there, but there we are. I think that is good where we're at right now. I do have quite the stuff to do, but I'm trying to go to bed early tonight, so we'll see if that ends up happening. All right, I will see you again when I pop back into here. Okay guys, it's way later than it should be right now, but I need to do my final check-in and plan for tomorrow. So yeah, I have not touched my planner since the last time I filmed. It's my afternoons, or I guess like evenings, are just really hectic. So let's see here. Nothing to check off there. I don't think there's, I wrote that I need, those are the two places I have to go tomorrow. I'm gonna have to film again. I wanted to film, oh wait, no, I'm filming now. I forgot that this is tomorrow's video. So I didn't get to this or this. I really need to wash their coats, all of our coats, honestly. I went to Target, I got that, and I actually ended up getting that at Target, so we'll do that. I packaged that, and we did the Christmas projects. So let's start Wednesdays, and Wednesdays is going to be really tiny, but that's okay because honestly, I would have had like no space for Wednesday if I had done this the other way. I still really love this. Okay, so tomorrow we're gonna, so the task I just want is like that. So I need to do, although I really do like the X thing, delicate clothes. I'll just say delicates, coats, and I think I actually got the rest of everything else done for the day, which is surprising. I feel like there's something I'm gonna end up having to edit and schedule this video, and then I'm probably gonna want to film for the next day. So day, what is that, 14? Just so I can get like a bit of a head start. there's literally room for one more thing for tomorrow, but if anything, I can just add on a sticky note and continue from there. I love how that looks. It's all filled. I'm trying to think if there was anything else I needed to write down. Yeah. I don't know, guys. I'm super duper tired. I did put that schedules were due. So I'm going to highlight that, even though I have them sitting over here next to me. But yeah, I think that is going to do it. Literally I had a really good day today. Well, a very productive day today. I'm super tired and I feel like I'm not going to get a ton of sleep, so that sucks. But yeah, I'm going to leave it off here. That was pretty much the day in my planner. I may or may not add the morning time, like my check-in that I do, because I didn't get to film that. So yeah, I think I will hop on in the morning at school drop off. Okay guys, I just got to my second drop off of the morning and I'm going to, I don't think there's anything I need to really add, but I forgot to go through my habits last night. So it was Tuesday and I'm trying to see. Speech, reading. I didn't get that. Got that and that. So that is everything. I'm going to end off the video here because that was a full day in my planners. I never ended up getting to play in my memory planner, but that's honestly been my life lately. Like, that's why I always end up having to go back in. I do try to jot down notes in here if there's something that I want to put in my memory planner throughout the week. That tends to help to have like a little log of things, but for the most part, I get to sit down with my memory planner like once a week, typically that next week. But yeah, Barbie the movie is coming on HBO Max, or Max now, on Friday, so I'm super excited. Thought I'd mention that in this video. We're gonna have a movie night on our typical movie night day, and we're finally gonna be able to watch that, so I'm excited. But yeah, that's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed spending the day in my planner with me, and yeah, until day, 14. Bye, guys.